What if everything you know about the world was wrong? Stick with me for the next 5 minutes because today we are revealing 5 shocking facts that will make you question everything. And trust me, the last one is going to blow your mind. Stay tuned till the end. So let's start with the facts number 1. Let's kick things off with something out of this world. Literally, the universe is expanding faster than ever before. In fact, it's growing so fast that galaxies are moving away from us quicker than the speed of light. Imagine that everything around you is moving away, but we have no idea where it's all going. Minds boggling, right? Here the fact number 2. The ocean dark secret. Now let's dive into the depth of our own planet. Did you know that 80% of the ocean remains unexplored? That's right, we are only mapped a tiny fraction of what lies beneath the surface. And the scariest part, we are constantly discovering new species of creatures that look like they belong in science fiction. Here the facts number 3, the brain power. Here's one of your brain is a supercomputer faster than any computer on the earth. It can process information faster than the speed of light, and get this, it can store up to 2.5 petabytes of data. That's like having a million hours of your favorite TV shows all stored inside your head. Who knew you were walking around with that kind of power? Fact number 4. Animal incredible abilities. Let's talk about the animal kingdom. Ever wonder how fast a cheetah can run? It's go for 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. But here a kicker, after a minute of running at top speeds, it needs to rest. Imagine running so fast that you need a break after just a minute. Some animals are true superstars of speed and strength. Fact number 5. Time is not what you think. Alright, so here the final mind blender. Time is not real. Well, not in the way you think. You probably notice how time seems to fly when you having fun but drags on when you bored. That's because our brain experiences times based on the emotions and attentions. So the next time you are bored, just remember time is not showing down. Your brain is just not paying attention. I will go to recap all of these facts. So let's recap. The universe is expanding faster than light. The ocean is hiding its darkest secrets. Your brain is a supercharged computer. Cheetahs are lightning fast but need a break. And time itself might be playing tricks on you. If you love these mind-blowing facts, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Fact Frenzy. You are to go to spot for the wildest, most jaw-dropping facts from around the world. Trust me, you will not want to miss what we will got in store next. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. So what the most shocking facts you heard? Comment below and let us know. And remember, things are not always what they seem.